This is machine learning project assignment for Sky-Fi Lab online course by Jatin Kumar Sagar. In this project, we are going to create ML model for predicting prices of houses in Boston area using regression approach. We perform this project in 5 steps. First, data pre-processing. Second, define error. Third, split dataset into training data and testing data. Fourth step, choose an algorithm and we train our model using training data. Fifth step, we are going to evaluate performance of the model using testing data. First of all, here we import Quad library for this project like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, sklearn. Here we import Boston dataset which is available in sklearn library. And here is the description of Boston dataset. It contains 506 data point, 13 attribute and 1 attribute which is target variable. After that we create data frame object for 13 attribute and we also create data frame object for target variable. Here we concatenate feature and target attribute into single data frame. Here is statistical description of dataset. We can see here. Now we find correlation coefficient amongst the attributes. Then we arrange the correlation coefficient in decreasing order using sort function. Here is the plot between correlation with target variable and on x-axis attributes. Here we see that L-state attributes show highest correlation with the target variable and CHAS show the least correlation with target variable. Now we perform normalization on data using min-max scaler. Now in second step define error or mean square error. In step 3 we split our dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. In step 4 we perform our linear regression algorithm to train the model. In step 4 we visualize the model training. Now we visualize the how regression line changes during the course of model training. We can see here. Now we plot final regression line using final M and C value. We can see here our regression line lie on the dense part of the data point. Here we plot error value versus iteration during the course of model training. Now we can see as the number of iteration increases, the error value going to decrease. After a certain iteration, it becomes constant. Now we perform the prediction on testing dataset to evaluate the performance of our model. Now we can see here is the value of x. Now here is the predicted value of y and it is the target value given in the dataset. And we plot predicted value against targeted value and predicted value represented by the red line and target value are represented by blue dot. Now we use inverse transform function to scale value back to original form. This is the value of x given in dataset. This is the predicted value using the regression data model and this is the targeted value given in the dataset which is price of dataset. This is the final output of model. Thank you.